एक लंबे संघर्ष के बाद 15 अगस्त 1947 को यह देश आजाद हुआ। राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, अनेक स्वाधीनता सेनानियों ने देश की आजादी के लिए पूरी मजबूती से नेतृत्व प्रदान करते हुए ब्रिटिश हुकूमत को भारत को स्वाधीन करने के लिए बाध्य करने के लिए मजबूर करना पड़ा। भारत के संविधान के 75 वर्ष पूर्ण होने और 76वें वर्ष में प्रवेश करने के अवसर पर हृदय से बधाई देते हुए अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।
All right, so that was the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath wishing everyone the 76th Republic Day. Now let me go back to my colleague Arunima. Arunima, when we talk about the Chief of Honor, the Chief guest today was the Indonesian President. Last time it was the President of France. You know, what is really the criteria in selecting the guest of honor for the Republic Day? Is it the relationship? What exactly goes through the entire process when you invite a guest of honor for Republic Day?
The selection of the country per se is also meant to convey, it's a diplomatic maneuver, it's meant to convey friendship with that particular country, and India and Indonesia go back a long way. If you read Ramayana, even there, even though Indonesia is a Muslim country, it's a Muslim majority country, but references to Ramayana can be found in their cultural milieu as well. And from there, if you come down to modern Indian history, of course, first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Indonesia's Premier Sukarno, and their collaboration to make NATO relevant in the post-Cold War era. From there to now, he's the current Indonesian president is the fourth premier of the country who has come and participated in India's Republic Day celebration. Why Indonesia is also important, like I said, it's a Muslim majority country. So at a time when Pakistan tries to raise the bogey of Muslim minorities here in India not being safe and raise that internationally and continuously try to embarrass India at the Gulf country forums or at the OECD forums where Indonesia is also a key partner. To have a friend like Indonesia means a big deal for India. And the fact that Indian diplomats have managed to convince our Indonesian counterparts to de-link India with Pakistan. The initial plan, we were told, was for President of Indonesia to travel to Pakistan straight after the Republic Day parade here in India. That would have been a very uncomfortable situation for India because we've been wanting the world to recognize that India and Pakistan are de-linked. So they managed to convince, and that's a big diplomatic victory. He's not going to Pakistan anymore, we are told.
All right. Thank you, Arunima, for putting all those things into perspective and getting us all those details now that the parade has in fact come to an end, but India continues to celebrate the 76th Republic Day today. Now, as nationalistic fervour grips India, News 18's Ranjan Ved brings us this special report from Suchetgarh, situated at the Indo-Pak border, where BSF Jawans celebrate Republic Day.